Hi, here today to clean a very dirty defibrillator cabinet. This is one of my local ones that I look after, so I'm just going to have a good clean up because it is disgusting. So I've got my little kit bag, got my bag for rubbish. First of all, I'm going to wipe it down with some wipes to get most of it dirt off. Just some general purpose wipes. These have actually got no chemicals in them. So that's the majority, getting all the cobwebs off. This is actually one of the dirtiest I've seen for a while. Now, just got a gentle solution, water, bit of vinegar, and just some fairy up liquid. Just going to rub over with a clean cloth. Just keep changing your cloths because they get very filthy. So I'm going to open the cabinet now, and as you can see, it has got inside. I'm just going to check for that to flash green. Yeah, perfect. Everything's clean, ready kit's perfect, the device is nice and clean. So, just going to clean the inside now. Just going to go around gently with the cloth that I have before, just to get rid of all this surface dirt. And then I can go in a bit deeper. If you don't like spiders, I have got actually, what I do use is the trusty paintbrush. You just get in and flick them out. Just going to wipe around the dirt a bit and get rid of all of that. Beautiful. Just get some fresh wipes now. Just going to wipe around the inner door. As you can see, it's still filthy. It does get into the door seal. I think people think that stuff can't get in the cabinet once the door's shut, but on every single one we do, there is always debris inside the cabinet. So it's really important to get it open, get inside, just check them regularly. Don't want somebody coming to it in an emergency thinking, oh, how can I get into that? It's disgusting. Nice and clean, and it's been looked after. Beautiful. So I'm just going to go inside with dry cloth as well. You can see there's hardly anything in here. This is nice and clean, nice and dry. It's always good to check that it's nice and dry. If it's wet in here, there's something going on with the seals. Either speak to or still speak to somebody who had it off, just to say, to get it fixed, because your defib's going to get damaged. Shut that back up. Always press a bit on the seal so it locks in correctly. Just going to wash down this window now. Right, so I'm just going to go around the lock. My last job. I'm just going around with a clean cloth at the moment. GT85, this is good because it penetrates and disperses water. And I'm just going to go around the lock. As you can see, that cleans it up lovely. Nice and shiny, and then go in again. Clean cloth. Just go down your buttons. Make sure they're nice. All got a bit of lubricant in them. So check it opens again. Perfect. Lovely. I'm just going to wipe around that lock again. I'm not going to put anything on that. And then voila. One nice clean cabinet.